Meron tayong natutunan sa real estate investing, no? You know that real estate investing can be a form of insurance also. If you borrow to buy a condo or a lot, no? It becomes a form of insurance also. Kasi nung nag-invest tayo sa mga condo,
Which was rather late.
which was rather late.
We were beyond 55, magsi-60 na, 60 na, no? Di ba?
And, di ba sabi mo sa akin, bakit bibili ka na naman? Bakit mag-invest na naman? Uutang ka na naman.
Sabi ko, bakit ka umuutang? Kasi sa totoo lang, I was not employed.
So, iniisip kasi niya na
If something happens
if
to
something
you,
happens to me, siya yung magbabayad. Hindi niya na-realize, in-explain ko nga sa kanya na every loan that I get, there is mortgage redemption insurance. Which means that kung may mangyari sa akin as the income earner, the loan is automatically paid. Diniscuss ko yan sa aming mga real estate lessons, no? Na ipoprovide namin sa Kapayaman.
in fact, yun yung sabi mo sa akin eh. Do you know that you're better if I amortize
the loan.
on a property? Kasi if something happens to me, it's fully paid for.
So
and it can also act as an insurance. In fact, cheaper yung insurance ko kasi sabi mo, matanda na ako.
Cheaper insurance because it's a term
Yung
insurance.
premium.
Maliit lang yung premium. And nakalakip yun sa loan amortization. And if something happens to me, the condo is yours without a loan. Di ba?
Sabi niya, at least may condo ka, pwede mo ibenta, pwede mo iparent.
So yun yung beauty ng investment in real estate na umuutang ka to make it affordable.